Most people don't realize you can turn ChatGPT into an ATM machine. Today I'm going to show you how to make an ebook in 10 minutes, put it on the stand store, and start making money today. Let's go. Alright, welcome to the channel, man. Let's get right to it. Lava Nation, let me show y'all how to make money online using ChatGPT and the stand store. So the method I'm choosing is a digital product. Show you how to make an ebook, and let's just get right into it. So first tool you're gonna need is ChatGPT. Second tool you're gonna need is stand store. This is my stand store. So this is your storefront. So I'm gonna show you how you can create a whole ebook and upload it. I love ChatGPT because you can do so many things on this, man, like A to Z. You can start a cleaning business, you can do a lawnmower business, whatever you want to do on here, you could do it. But for this video and for this purpose, we're gonna do an ebook. Let's say, please just give it a little context. Tell it, I want you to take the role of a marketing genius and help me make an ebook. Alright, for this video, let's say we don't have no idea. Take a role of a marketing genius and help me make an ebook about making money online for single parents, father or mother. And so if you're whoever you are, that's who you whoever your audience is gonna be. So let's say I was a single father and I wanted to talk to dads. So for single parents, single fathers, teaching them how to make it very detailed and easy to read, but fill it up with plenty of knowledge. So they're gonna give you a title from Dad to Digital CEO. So whoever you are, like I said, this is just an example of the title that I chose, but whoever you are, that's who you wanna, that's how you turn your story into an ebook. I used to be a trapper, so I made a ebook called Digital Trapper's Toolkit. So they're gonna design a book for you. Okay. Yep. Join your community, buy your course to take the next step. So it's gonna break it down. I could start right now, chapter 1 and 40 this, so you can see the tone, flow. Perfect. Let's say, do you want to keep it motivational and street smart? No. See ChatGPT this is mine, so it's trained. No, I don't want to keep it street smart. Let's keep it motivational and professional. So it's gonna break it down. You're not raising kids, you can't always be protected. So see how this thing breaks it down? See, even just building your mindset right here. So it's even doing a little, yes, create the whole book. I'm ready to upload, make money. So you just tell ChatGPT what you want and it'll do it. So it's breaking it down. And so when I wrote my ebook, just so it could be more longer, I would say for example, it makes this chapter, I would say break it down. So it's going to tell you what to do before you right. If you paste this in the Canva, use clean layouts and icons. Very easy, hit 50 pages, perfect for selling. So boom. So then you're just going to, so honestly, I'll be 100% honest with you. I didn't even upload my ebook on Canva. What I did is I just made a cover for it, and I just made it into a PDF. So you could tell ChatGPT, please design me a cover for this ebook. I'm just going to do everything on ChatGPT. So while that's loading, so what you want to do is you want to go over to, so Stan Store, you can do this 14 days for free. And so you just add a new product, digital products, and you can literally, it's pretty simple, self-explanatory. You just fill everything in. Look at this. See how they whipped that up for me? So I could have them fix this, but from that to digital CEO. Sometimes when you create logos on here, ChatGPT doesn't make it right the first time. Let's see if they get it right this time. So while that's going on, so literally what you want to do is just copy and paste this. So I'm about to go get chapter 1. So you want to open up Word. I think my son's waking up. Probably can hear me. Copy and paste this. Let's grab chapter 1 right quick. So you literally just copy and paste this in the Word. Change this bold. Focus on. Alright, so you just save this as, you want to save this as a PDF. So you change the file format to PDF. And you can say single dad ebook. Boom. But let's see if they made this even. Oh, see, they fixed it. Hey. So they fixed it. So what you want to do is you want to download your cover. So literally you can do everything from ChatGPT. Download your cover. And I like to put my cover at the top here. Let's insert an image. Boom. You can let it take up a page. Let's resave that. Then you go to your Stan Store. You're gonna use that image. And so what you might have to do is you're gonna have to resize the picture. Boom. Alright, so boom. It's uploaded. So now you want to go back so you can get the best optimization for your ebook. Okay. Go back to ChatGPT, say okay. Now I need a very high engaging, high converting Stan Store detail for this upload. So now ChatGPT is going to give you the perfect layout for this. So boom, it's going to give you a title, copy and paste. It's going to give you a subtitle. Alright, it's going to give you a high converting description. Alright, next. I fucked that up. Let's go back. Okay. So tell it on anything you need. So if this title's too long, you wanna highlight it and say ask ChatGPT, say title is too long, only 50 characters. So I need a new title. Alright. Copy and paste that. Alright, next step. Checkout page. So great. So look at this checkout. Being a single father is tough, balancing bills, paying, and trying to find time to fails. This guy was built for dads who want more than just survival. You want freedom. So mindset, 5 online business models, how to launch your first digital product in less than 30 days, the exact content system we're on TikTok, IG, and YouTube, 90-day digital dad blueprint to go from 0 to your first 1,000 online. Alright, so this is a playbook, man. Call to action. You can price it. Put your image up there. Do that. From dad to digital CEO. So there you go. Fields. So here, this is where you wanna upload the file that you just saved. Dad digital. So this is where you wanna get the file that we had. Let's see. Gotta find that fucking Dad CEO. So you wanna make this a PDF. Export. Hell, who knows? I might even keep this. So upload that bad boy. I might keep this for real. Single dads guide to online income. I'm not promoting single dads because I'm married, but there are a lot of single dads out there. It's not all about single mothers, so I might make this $10. So boom, it's right there. Let's go to my stand store. So boom. Everything you need is right there. So if you found value in this video, and you know, from there on, like, it's your job every day to promote this. You know, it literally tells you how to ChatGPT. So your next step, let's go to ChatGPT. So now that I promoted this, or now that I created this ebook, how can I get sales? So ChatGPT has the whole blueprint of what to do. So yeah, it doesn't sell. Sales come from distribution, position, consistency. Since you already had a product, here's your battle plan. Don't sell as an ebook, sell as the playbook for single fathers who want financial freedom. So when you're promoting it, you say, yo, a lot of the dads out there struggling, but look, if you want the step-by-step system, how to get out survival mode and CE mode, this is what you do. So it's telling you, post daily, you know, do pain points. So yeah, ChatGPT is gonna tell you everything you need to do in detail, you know, so it's really simple. It's really simple. So if you want to get started online, ChatGPT, making ebooks, it's a good starting place. I gotta go because my son's waking up again, so yeah.